Okay, having seen our project, I'll just go ahead and open the project now so that we'll see what we have built so far. So I'll just use a localhost / Courier / public. And that's going to open my project for me in the browser. So you can see the project here. It's just the Laravel homepage showing here. So the next thing we'll do, just go ahead and try to see how we can create the so the next thing I'll just go ahead and create the auth composer require Laravel /UI. So that's the command to create my auth. So I'll just hold on for the auth dependencies to download to my program, and in a few minutes to be done. If you're following, it doesn't take time. Your system has to be connected to the internet, and the program will just go ahead and download. So I think it's done already. The next thing is we have to create the PHP artisan UI auth so that I can create the codes for us in our code in our program. So I just did mine here. It has already created the scaffolding generator successfully, as you can see. So if I refresh my browser now, here I can see that I have my login and the register here just at the top right corner. You can see it, but then I only need the login. I don't need the register. I don't need to register because I told you we are creating, giving it different rules. So we have already sent in the details to the database. So as you can see here in the resources, I will just check the auth has been created for us. You can see there. So I'll just go to the web and remove the register. I only need the login. So I'll put register to the false. Okay. Yes, this will automatically remove the register, and I now have the login alone. So going back to my code now, I think the next thing we'll need to do is to see how we can import our templates, running the assets, the HTML assets and the CSS to the login page so that we can rebuild this to look very nice. So I will not delete this yet. I will not delete this. I will just open the default template I'm going to be using for this project. At the end of the class, I will leave this template for us to be able to download if you are following. So I'll just use this admin login here. I'll pull on Sublime. I just drag it into the Sublime so that I can see the code. So now this is my code, the HTML template. So I will just bring it here to the HTML. First, I have to copy the assets to my folder, the Courier folder. So I go to XAMPP, and then the next thing I go to my htdocs. Now my htdocs, I'll go to Courier, then I'll go to my public folder. I'll paste it here on the public folder. Okay, I think I need to differentiate this folder as admin because this is going to be the admin login. So I'll just drag the assets into the admin folder so that when I create the other users asset later, I'll be able to differentiate them. Okay, so back to my code now. I I don't need this extend layout right now, so I'm going to delete them. The next thing is just to edit this template now to suit what I want. I'll copy it and paste it in login bleed here. Okay, I don't need this. Yes, so I'll remember to delete the end section at the bottom of it. But now I pasted the code here, so just change the title. Courier management system. Okay, admin login. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I have my assets here. I need to rewrite my assets, add a URL to them so that Laravel will be able to find it. I think I'll do the same thing for all the external link, both the scripts. I'll do the same thing for all of it. Yes, also the main CSS plugins. You have to do all of this. Okay, I also did for the image, and now I'm going to do for the script. Okay, as we can see here, I have a form, a login form. So I'll just go ahead and edit this login form. Oh, this is supposed to be in admin folder, so I just add it here, add it also to the script. Yep, admin, that the address will be correct. And now we also have the form. The action is hash right now. I'll just go ahead and give the name of the form. So the first one here is email. The second will be password. Then the checkbox will be remember. The name will be remember. Yes. So this done. The action here, I'll just give it the route login. Okay. Okay. I'm going to give it the method. Okay. And okay, everything seems okay. I have not given it the method yet. I need to give it the method of post. Since we are posting to the database. Okay. Taking a look at this, I just need the error message. Let me just look at this error message to make things faster. Get the error message, use here for the email and also for the password. Okay, so I have it there for the password now. I stay now to give the error message for the forget password. I think everything is done. I don't need this code any longer. Let me open in browser and see how we've built so far. Okay. Okay, I didn't close. I don't need this admin section. Okay. Okay, so I have my form here. This is going to be the admin. I think I don't need to differentiate it. instead of the login now, just use admin login to differentiate them. So here, admin login, the image. Also, I need to add our admin to it so that the background image will be able to show. Okay, yes. Now we have a beautiful login. You see everything is working. In the next class, we'll be teaching on the controller. Then we'll be able to log in to see how the details work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.